The biggest tip that I have to anybody that wants to be in the music industry is you're selling music, so be really good at music.
Nothing would be possible without the song.
It's really hard to be a songwriter, and it's even harder to be an artist.
Do you need to go to college to be in the music industry? You do not, but it definitely makes it a lot easier.
I did not learn about sync licensing in grad school. I did not learn about, the ins and outs of my day-to-day job in a classroom.
Every person that you come across, you have to give an equal amount of attention to.
Just treat everyone well in the music industry, because the people that are receptionists and assistants today are going to be the VPs of tomorrow.
As long as there's nothing physically wrong with the vocal cords themselves or the ear, I can teach anyone to sing.
Number one thing, find yourself.
Don't compromise the art that you're making because of what you think is commercial.
TikTok is the most important social media platform.
Without a doubt, you tell me I can't do it, I'm 100% doing that thing.